Hey guys, today we're going into the greenhouse. I'm wanting to move my Greenstalk vertical planter, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the greenhouse today. Okay, the greenhouse looks great. This is February the 13th. Look at this, guys. It's bumping 100 degrees in here. These plants right here in my Greenstalk cannot take that kind of temperature. So I'm going to move it to my mini greenhouse and open the sides up every day, and then finally take the plastic off the mini greenhouse, because you see how my lettuce is drooping? And we can't have that. Lettuce cannot take 100-degree temps, and you see that right there? It's going to bolt before it produces very much. So let's see if we can move the Greenstalk planters. Now it is on a wheel base, if you can see, but I can't roll this thing to the house. So we have to take it apart piece by piece and move it. The first part here, this is the water thing. It's empty. It comes off. This is the easy part to move, guys. Next, we're going to pick this one up. You can see I have plants in there, and I wanted to move it while they're small. So we're going to move those, and I'm going to pick this one up off of it because there's plants in the second one. We don't want to mess those up, and tote this in. Okay, we have to take out these center pieces. We just twist and come off, and then we're going to take the next one off. Okay guys, I have two pots moved. These two were the easy ones because there are little plants around the sides. Let's see what it does with the other two. Guys, if I lose plants, I just lose plants, but we got to move it. It's getting too hot in here. And I think if I tote it in between, I should be okay. This weighs approximately the size of one bag of dirt, and it does have some water in it, which adds to the weight. Okay, we're down to the bottom one. I think I got it so far. The bottom one has my tomatoes in it. That's the one I'm worried about, guys. Let's do this. And this one, I can roll it to the greenhouse door. And the bottom has some water in it, so I'm going to have to dump that out, but I'm thinking, yeah, I can pick it up. So let's get moving. Got this one rolled out of the greenhouse to here. I'm dumping the water out. And I've got little plants coming up in here. I think I planted some carrots and stuff around. Got a few things coming, but this rolls awesome. You see my tomato plants are doing good. This one's doing good. Let's take them to the mini greenhouse. I have the bottom in. I left it on the little roller so I can roll it forward, twist it around, whatever needs to be done. And I've checked my plants, everything made it good. The problem's fixing to be when we put the next tier on, guys. Let's see if it can be done. So guys, if you've ever toted a load of laundry, it's about what it's like. You just make sure your plants are out of the way, and voila! All the plants are staggered, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. And I didn't give any of my plants okay, I've got all these moved. I'm going to see if I can put the third tier on. Okay, it is done. I think we've got it. All the plants look safe. And what I'm doing is I'm moving one of my top tiers down, and then I'm moving one of my other ones up. Now we add the top watering thing. The Greenstalk is in the mini greenhouse. Let's roll this up so you can see the top. I will pour water in it and see what happens, but we're leaving it open for now. I've got my Greenstalk vertical planter moved into my mini greenhouse. I'm going to leave the door open. I'm leaving the windows open for now. The big greenhouse is 100 degrees. It's probably nearly that in this little one, but with the door open, more breeze can get through. This is right beside my house. I come through here every day, morning and night, to feed the animals. I can check everything. We're going to leave it in here until further notice. And it looks like all my plants made it. That fast? It is up to the 5 mark for 5 tiers, and it's draining. It's already draining down through them. I can see the water dripping, and so we're watering everything. If it runs out on the floor, this is a concrete slab. It's not going to hurt anything. It'll just run off. It's not a problem down here. So we have the Greenstalk planter in my mini greenhouse, guys.